Okay, special request video. We are going to get a reaction, a first look reaction from Ed and his wife Kathy on the blue Mk4 that we finished. And so this is the first time that they're going to see the car. This is their visit to California, their second. This time they drove out here. So as we walk into the shop, we're going to see exactly what they think of the car and post this up for y'all. Come on, guys. Wow. Now, I know this isn't going to be up to your standards, Ed. I've only cleaned it once. And then I pulled it in and out of the garage a couple of times since then, so the carpets are dirty, but it did get wiped down. And
I don't have any words. It's gorgeous.
Beautiful job, Frank. Awesome.
Finally. And how long has this been?
Fourth grade.
well.
Fourth grade.
It's been 2018 since you guys purchased the kit and had it delivered, right? So it's been almost 3 years in the making. So is it everything you expected?
Absolutely.
So go ahead and hit that handle on the other side over there, Ed, and then Kathy can see
She hadn't seen it.
everything under there.
Okay, I don't know. Okay, this looks pretty.
It looks like an engine, right? And then I don't know if
Look, it's blue.
if you all have seen the finished interior with the carpet. I know, Kathy, you may have seen it in pictures, but you probably haven't seen it all finished and done.
It's a beautiful car.
And the seats are now, the plastic's off, Ed.
Wow.
So
Check that out.
you've only seen it with the plastic on the seats.
We need to start it up.
Well, I've got the air on in the shop right now, so I don't think we're going to be starting it up right this second. But
Okay.
so
For driving.
so I think they're happy.
I think so.
I think they're happy, everybody.
Absolutely.
So we'll post this up a little bit later on, and then we can get the reaction from probably some of your family members and what have you. But so there it is. We're going to sign off for now and talk to you guys in the next video. I just wanted to make sure that we got this posted for a special someone who's been bugging me to post a reaction video. So there it is. We'll talk to you all later.